Alright guys, today we're going to be installing this NRG steering wheel and a Type 2 bus shifter. Alright guys, so we fixed the steering shaft. Now we're going to put this on. This is a Grant shifter adapter for the Volkswagens. And then this is just a Grant to a 6-bolt adapter for a steering wheel. Now we're going to install this quick release steering wheel. Alright guys, so since it didn't come with complete hardware, we're just going to use the 4 there. And this one goes on. That's how it looks. Now we can go ahead and put the steering wheel on. So the NRG shifter came with this horn button, but I've had this one stashed away for years, so that's what we're going to use. I'm hoping the steering wheel is straight. Their steering wheel is straight like this. Alright, so I think the steering wheel is pretty straight. And then the quick release is down here. Boom! Quick release. Here's one more time. Push the button down there. Pull the collar. And then the collar just stays in place until you put the steering wheel back. Alright, let's move on to the shifter. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and took off the old shifter. Here it is, the Scat quick shifter. So the bus shifter comes with kind of like this plate or this spacer. So I think it only uses the one, and this is the thickest one. I also heard of guys using both, and I don't think I'll need both in my case. Aren't leaking from empty. So now that we're done, check this out. Okay, so now that we have the steering wheel and the shifter installed, we're going to go ahead and go to the car wash.